Hi viewers, welcome to this special video in which I am going to share with you useful insights which will help you to pick quality stocks for the investment during this ongoing correction in our Indian stock market. For the past few months, we are witnessing correction in our Indian stock market. The correction is across the market capitalization, the large cap, the mid cap, the small cap. The correction is across the sectors, be it auto, metal, FMCG, pharma, etc. Should we be worried about this ongoing market correction? Yes, maybe. For those who are invested fully and the investments were made during the peak market valuation, for those it may be a little tough time. But the instances of such corrections in the past have proved that the corrections are great opportunity to buy quality stocks, because each time the corrections were followed by vigorous rally and the prices of quality stocks soared to new high during those rallies. I am sure the investors who have seen the instances of such market correction and the post-correction rallies will agree with me. If we are convinced that the corrections are great opportunity to accumulate quality stocks, then the question that arises is which stocks to buy during this ongoing correction. In this video, I am not going to recommend you any particular stock to buy, but I am going to present you a certain study report which will help you to decide which stocks to buy and which stocks to avoid. Let me briefly explain to you what study report I am going to present to you in this video. I have chosen 5 indices for the study, and they are auto, metals, FMCG, pharma and IT. The stock price before the start of correction and the stock price as on 30th January 2025 of each of the stocks in these indices will be the focus point of this whole study. This study report will show you the percentage difference in the price of the stocks between those two dates, that is before the start of the correction and 30th January 2025. Please note that the start date of correction for each index is different. Since the list is sorted based on the percentage change in stock price, it becomes clear as to which stocks have fallen more and which stocks were able to defend themselves. I am sure this study report will help you viewers in making buying decisions with clarity and confidence. Lot of time and energy has gone into making this study report and video, and I am sure this will add value to each of the viewer of this video. I have a plan to make another video with similar study of other indices, and the video should be public in couple of days. Please share your comments and suggestions so that it will help me to align with your expectations while making my future videos. Before going to the main part of the video, I have an appeal to make to you viewers that if you feel that this video is useful, kindly like it and share it with your friends. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Now, without further wait, let's jump into the main part of this video. Now we are entering into the main part of this video, where we are going to see the study report on 5 sectoral indices, namely auto, FMCG, IT, metals and pharma. And we are going to see these reports separately. First we will see the report on auto index. Here is the first page. Let me explain the format of this report with more details for better understanding. The same format has been followed in the balance reports also. Here comes the first page. On the top you will see the name of the index. Here it is auto index. The first figure what you see is the value of that index on the date of beginning of the correction. The second value what you see is the value as on 30th January 2025. Next is the change in percentage. Next what you see is the list of stocks in this index. It has been sorted based on the change in stock price between these two dates. The highest loser is on the top. At the bottom you will see the stocks that are least impacted. The top 3 losers The orange color is given for the top 3 losers and the bottom 3 are given green colors. This first page what you are seeing with a focus on top 3 losers. The next page what you see is with a focus on bottom 3. In the third page in the same index you will see the total list again. Here you can see the Motherson is the top loser. The loss is about 35.5%. Bajaj Auto is second loser which has got corrected by nearly 31%. The third one is Hero Motocorp which has got corrected by nearly 30%. Let us see the second page in the auto index. The Eicher Motors is not at all impacted by this correction. In fact, it has gained by 2%. The next is Mahindra and Mahindra which got corrected only by 6.6%, and Balakrishna Industries has got corrected only by 9%. Next what we are going to see is the FMCG sector. Here you can see the index got corrected by 16.2%, and the stocks which got corrected by highest percentage are Colgate Palmolive, Godrej CP, Balrampur Chini. Colgate Palmolive has got corrected by 24.72%. The Godrej CP has got corrected by nearly 23%, and Balrampur Chini has got corrected by 21%. In FMCG, let us see the next page where the focus is on the stocks which are least impacted. The Radico has gained by 2.4% nearly during this period. The UBL has got corrected only by nearly 1%, and Marico only by around 4.3%. The next page what we see is the total list of FMCG sector. Next let us see the Nifty IT index. Here in this page you can see the IT index got corrected by around 7.76%. I think this is one which got least impact due to correction. The top 3 corrected stocks are LTIM, HCL Tech, Coforge. LTIM has got corrected by 13%. The HCL Tech also nearly 13%, and the Coforge by 10.47% correction. Next page what we see is the 3 stocks that were least impacted by the correction in the IT sector. The LTTS, it has gained in fact by 0.25% during this period. The Wipro minus 0.31%, Persistent by 6.5% correction during this period. Next page what you see is the total list of stocks in this IT sector. Next what we see is Nifty Metal Index. Let us see the first page with a focus on the highest losers. Here you can see the metal index has got corrected by 18.27% during this study period. The Hindustan Copper is the highest loser with nearly 32% correction. The Adani Enterprise got corrected by 27.7%. The SAIL got corrected by 23%. Next is the list of stocks with a focus on the least impacted stocks during this period. The Wellcorp got corrected by 1.8%. APL Apollo got corrected by 8.16%. JSW Blue Steel got corrected by 8.5% during this period. Next page what you see is the total list of the stocks in metal index. Next is the pharma index. Let us see the first page with a focus on top losers. The pharma index got corrected by nearly 10% during our study period. In this, Oro Pharma is the highest loser with 21.6%. Natco Pharma got corrected by 21%. Ajanta Pharma by 20.7% during this period. Next page what we are seeing is the list with focus on least affected stocks. During this period, the Laurus Lab in fact gained by nearly 30%. The Biocon gained by nearly 3%. The Granules got impacted by 1.6%. The next page what you see is the total list of stocks under the pharma index. Dear viewers, you have seen the study report on the stocks in the 5 major indices. You have seen under each index top 3 losers and the 3 which are least impacted. I don't want to say that we can pick stocks that are corrected by the highest percentage because they are available at cheaper price. I don't want to say that we can pick the stocks that are least impacted because they are more resilient. I want to leave it to the viewers to make a decision if they want to go with the stocks that have corrected substantially or the stocks that are impacted least during this correction. Hope this study report was useful to you. I'm sure you can find value in this report. In couple of days, another video based on the study of other indices should be public. Thanks for watching.